This is just a quick video to show you how to edit your watch lists and your alerts in the RiverAware app. You access your watch list or your alerts by these buttons at the bottom of the screen. And it lists all the alerts that you have set. And you can see that on some rivers you might have set multiple alerts for the same station, and on others you might have just one. To edit the list, you can either click directly on an alert, which allows you to edit the alert level, or if you need to delete them or reorder them, click the button at the top right corner, and that allows you to drag things to a new position in the list. Or if you want to delete an alert, you choose the trash can button at the right hand side of the alert. When you're done, hit the done button. If I want to do the same thing to the watch list, I have a similar button in the top right corner. Again, I can reorder where rivers are in my watch list, or I can delete individual stations from the watch list. And when I'm done with my edits, I just hit the done button, and that returns me to the app where I can go back to monitoring stations.